Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to add beautiful CSS gradients to any element in GoHighLevel. Now this is a great way to create eye-catching buttons, backgrounds, or sections on your GoHighLevel pages. It's super simple, and by the end of this video, you'll have it all figured out. But before we dive into the video, there's something special that I want to share with you. You see, normally if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link in the description below, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which is going to walk you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Now, GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description below. Just simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. First off, you're going to log into your GoHighLevel agency account. Then you're going to switch to the sub account where you want to add the gradient. It's super simple. Just make sure that you're in the right account before moving forward. And once you're in, go to the Sites tab on the left menu. This is going to take you to the Sites page, and from there you're going to click on the Websites section. So once you're in the Websites section, look for the New Website button in the top right corner and click on it. A pop-up will show up with two options. You can either start building your site from scratch or you can use the pre-built template. For this demo, we'll be using the template option. So select the From Templates and hit the Continue button. Now from there, you can pick any template that you like. So let's go with the first one called Website Designer. Click on it to preview and then press the Continue button in the top right corner of the preview page. Now this will open the template in the GoHighLevel website builder. Now this editor lets you move sections, change text, and even add your own code. It's pretty flexible and you'll find it easy to customize things the way that you like. Now go ahead and click on any section where you want to add the gradient. For example, click on the second section below the header area. It has a blue background and we're going to change the gradient. So once you click on that section, the right sidebar will open. Next, head to the Advanced section in the sidebar and scroll down until you see the CSS selector option. Copy the code that you see there, and after that, go to the top left bar and click on the Custom CSS option. Now, this will open a field where you can add custom CSS. Paste the CSS selector code that you just copied, and then add a bracket right next to it. To get started with custom CSS for your gradient, you'll need the CSS code. A simple way to do this is by using an online gradient generator like cssgradient.io. Now, this tool lets you pick your colors, adjust the angles, and see a live preview of your gradient. For example, if you want a yellow-green gradient, just select those two colors on the site and generate the CSS code. Then click Copy to Clipboard to grab the code. After that, you're going to go to the GoHighLevel website builder. Click on the Custom CSS option in the top bar again and paste your code there. Now, once it's pasted, press enter and don't forget to close the bracket at step 4. Finally, hit the save button and your gradient will be good to go. So that's it for this video, guys. Short, sweet, and to the point. I hope this video gave you an idea of how to add gradients to any element in GoHighLevel. It's incredibly easy and it adds a beautiful touch to your websites. Now, if you want to try GoHighLevel, go ahead and click the link in the description below. If you use my affiliate link, you're going to get that 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you're going to gain free access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, where I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those first 30 days. On top of that, you're going to receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates, all for free. Just click the link below to get started and claim your bonuses. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me create even more valuable content for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.